What's up, y'all? What's going on? Hey, man. Hey, what's happening? What's happening, y'all? Hey, before we even get into this, right? Check this out. Look, right above his head. Look, right here, right here. Click that button, man. It says subscribe. You know what I mean? You know. And then click that little bell. Right, you see how I did that right after? Click that guy too. You know what I'm saying? Road to 5K, man. Road to 5K. And we got a giveaway at 5K. So, let's get into it.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the tray master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinger slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And today, so it's Drake time, right? It's Drake time. So, going back to back.
Boy, if you don't...
Whatever you say. We're going back to back. That's what the boy Meek Mill said when he got hit with that back to back, right?
Don't ask me about no Nicki. That's what he said on his raps. He said, don't ask me about no Nicki.
So yesterday, man, we hit you with the Nike Fear of God 180 moccasins, right? Moccasin guys, man. And I gotta look at the comments, man. You're gonna have to pull up the video, man, because somebody had the funniest comment ever. Like, it was two back-to-back comments that had me crying on that video. But
I love when you do this. Like, you could tell me before we start shooting.
I just thought about it, man.
You just be like, oh,
there's no script. Where's the script?
Pull it up, pull it up.
Where's the script? That's because he don't even subscribe to us.
Nike Air Jerusalem.
My man called these
Nike Air Jerusalem.
My man called these the Nike Air Jerusalems, man.
Someone said it has its place in the trash.
Yeah, and in the video, man, I said these things have their place, and his response was in the trash. So, but that's all good, man. I think they dope. I'm still gonna rock them. So y'all just let me know what y'all think about those guys. But in the meantime, in between time,
you
man.
rock them on the reserves?
Huh?
You gonna rock them on the reserves?
Reserves.
Reserve plan? Reserve the Indian tribes?
Oh, stop it. He talking about the reservation, y'all.
The reserves, man.
So, like I said in the last video, man, those drop on the 27th, April 27th. It is April 18th. Today's the 18th? Yeah.
I'm sorry, but I have another joke. Your shoes look like you need to be doing a rain dance.
What you talking about, Willis?
So, he just made me lose my train of thought. Also, on the 27th of April, man, we'll be dropping the second edition of Fear of God, which you saw in the title. And these are the Nike Air Fear of God 1. So, which is crazy, man, because they call these guys Fear of God 1s. So, when the plug hit me up and said he had Fear of God 1s, I was like, ooh, he got a different colorway, right? So, no, not quite these, man, not quite these. Which I'm not disappointed.
One of those colorways out.
It's more colorways. They got some weird colorways, like some
The orange and green.
Yeah. But I'm not mad at these either, man. So I'll get into this real quick, man. It says Nike Air Fear of God 1, light bone, black, and sail. The exact same colorway as the last pair. And you see Nike box, that same Fear of God colorway on that box, man. You already know what it is. We've gone through this box time and time again. But these actually are the Fear of God Raid. Like, that's the name of these things, man. I know that, or the Fear of God 180s. You're gonna hear that too. The 180 is for the air unit. It's got that 180 air unit in it. And as you can see, he's opening the package. I'm opening the package as well as a double up. I got the wifey a pair this time, man.
She should be here. Where's she at?
Boss.
Mom.
Boss.
Right. Being camera shot, man. Being camera shot. So these are the Nike Fear God Raids, man, or the Nike Fear God 180s. And a little context about this shoe, other than the fact that it's dope. This shoe is modeled after the Air Raids from, I believe it was 1992, man. I'm gonna pop a picture up right here. And if you can look at that shoe and this shoe, you see they both have the cross pattern there on the top. It's actually got some similar color in the colorways to it. Jerry Lorenzo actually put up a picture of this pair and the 92s side by side and kind of gave you a little bit of insight into why he picked this shoe. If you look at his interview with Nike, he said the Air Raid was his favorite shoe run up other than any other Jordans. You know what I'm saying? So I get it. This shoe is definitely dope. It's definitely different, as you can see.
Different colorway. It's more like.
It's a little bit lighter. You know, this is more of a gray. This is more of a bone. Which this one's colorway is called a platinum, and this one's called a bone. So it is.
It's pretty much the same color as the Fear of God ones.
It's the same as the Fear of God ones. It absolutely is. Differences in these two. This is all mesh upper, and this one has a nubuck-ish, suede-ish type of an upper all the way around. It's actually made of this exact same material that the Fear of God one is made of. This same tumbled leather that's on this guy is on this guy, man. Same thing. It's probably a lot closer to the shoot around than the Fear of God one.
Yeah.
That's the only pairs that I don't have on the shoot arounds. I kind of had to make my choice between this and the shoot around, and so I went with the one, of course. But this shoe is dope, man. Tell me what you think about it.
I like it. I think it's like just like the shoot around, like you said. So other than that, it's a dope sneaker. I always like the bottom of it with that little old one piece of icy sole.
Yeah. That 180 unit.
Yeah.
That's dope.
The ankle protector.
These straps are completely removable. You can come all the way off with these guys. It's got a little Velcro in the middle. No.
I was about to say.
No, it's sewn in at the very bottom, but you know, you can play with it, man. Change it up a little bit.
Yeah, no, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one.
I don't know that I would play with it like that, but I'm just saying that they are removable. They are adjustable. Underneath the straps, you do see that it does have the lace unit, and this is probably the most laced up shoe other than the Skylines that you're gonna find with the Fear of Gods, to be honest. What else, man? Let's look on the inside of this guy. So this lace lock, unlike the one on the moccasin, does have the Fear of God branding on it. I will give you an on feet view of these guys, man. But inside, it's exactly like the moccasin. It's got the black insole with the Air Fear of God. On the sole, it's got that same lifestyle type sole. It's not really a
casual wear.
Yeah, definitely casual wear. Even this double stacked air unit, man, is a little different on this guy than it is on the.
I actually like these. These are actually pretty nice. I ain't know what to think about them.
So you can see those air units on these guys are different. I know this one is dirty, but you can see the double stacked air unit at the top and that singular air unit on the bottom. Comfort wise, I don't know yet. I seriously doubt that this one will be quite as comfortable as this one, because this one has just got so much cushioning and padding in it. But after I do the on feet, man, I'll come back and I'll let you know about the cushioning on this guy and how it stacks up.
I feel like I would get these and just customize them, just like write Sharpie all over them. That's why I don't like. That's why I don't have nice shoes like that.
I don't know about all of that, man. These are some premium materials to be
You don't
messing all over them. I did consider doing something with these. You know, if I did anything, just because this is an all mesh upper, you can change the color of this upper and it would be okay. You can. It's more like a blank canvas that you can really mess with. This here is all premium leathers and
It's gonna be hard to.
Yeah, I wouldn't. It's got this new neoprene front pocket here. Like I wouldn't do anything as far as that. It's got a padded ankle collar, which is, I'm sure that's comfortable. I'm sure that feels good.
That man said neoprene.
Yeah, neoprene.
Neosport.
No, man, neoprene. You know what neoprene is? That's
This, I guess.
Yeah, you know the knee braces you get. Yeah. Same material, man. Same material.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? That's that old man knowledge right there. Get your old man up.
I'd rather not. I'd rather stay young forever.
But there you have it, man. The Nike Fear God
180s.
Raids, man. Nike Fear God 180s, man. These do retail for
90.
$190. Was it retail price $190?
190.
Okay. Sound about right. I paid,
That's why you want to stay young. You remember.
yeah, I paid $411 for 2 pair. So, shout out to the plug. But other than that, man, if you can get these guys on the 27th, man, I suggest you go after them, man, and get them. You know what it's gonna be, man. This ain't like the other ones, man. Tier Zeros, Sneakers app, boutiques.
Good luck.
Yeah, man. But that is it, man. Let's get to this on feet real quick, and we'll be right back. Couple of things about these guys, man. First thing I'm gonna tell you, first and foremost, true to size, man. They definitely true to size. Whatever you wear in a Nike, that's what you get in these, man. Second thing, comfortable, super comfortable, man. They're not as comfortable as the Fear God ones, but they right there, like all the way through. I still got one of them on my feet, man. It's super comfortable. Third thing, as with the Fear God ones, you gotta loosen this thing all the way up, take it all the way out to get it on your foot, man. It's the Fear Gods is one of them things that
You want to tell them the story about your first pair of Fear Gods?
we should have recorded that.
Do you want to tell them, or shall
tell-
I?
you can tell.
So
This pair.
this pair in particular, wanna know why I hate this pair? Because it takes him 20 minutes to take it off. The first time he put them on, he comes to me, Austin, I can't take them off. I was like, well, looks like that's the shoe of the year, ain't it? So he was sitting on the bed, and I was here yanking, trying to pull the shoe off for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes until it came off.
It's crazy. So the difference between this one, well, first of all, I got an 11 in these. I got a 10.5 in these. Once it's on your
big
foot,
mistake.
it's true to size, right? But the major difference between this one and the black one is this entire upper is leather. So there's less give. This one has that mesh. You see how flimsy that is? Like you can get through that. This is stiff, guys. It's hard to get this guy on and off. But once it's on, it's super comfortable, and once it's off, it feels good. But that's it, man. Like I said, they drop on the 27th. Hopefully you guys are able to cop a pair. If you like them, if you don't like them, I don't even know where that comes from, y'all. I just see the kids doing it all the time, so I just do it.
Whoa.
That's it, man. Fear God Raids in the building, man. Fear God 180s in the building. Whatever you want to call them, make sure you call them dope. That is it. Got anything else?
Call me what you want, but you can't call me bro.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Hey, bro. Catch me 6.
Hey, bro. You already know what I'm saying, bro. Big Draco. Feel me? What are you talking about, man? Move, nigga. What's up?
Hey, that is it, man. Dad, son, Cams,
Holler.